Hey, what's going on out there, everybody, ladies and gentlemen, men and women, males and females? Welcome to another video, Stocking with your boy, Profit Peeps, where all the real smart investors win more money, gain more money, earn more money than lose money. Okay, before we move forward, I need y'all to do the number one thing and bump and grind against that like button. Share the video, subscribe to the channel so the notifications can accelerate. We here for one reason and one reason only, and that's to learn how to make nice amount of money, build wealth for our family, friends, and people around us. They say when you change yourself, you change the world around you. And that's what I want to do. I want to help change the world around me. And for those who I'm around, they should change the world around them as well. And that's how we all become great. Okay. This is the third video tonight about candlestick charts. Okay. I'm going to go into detail a little more. I'm not going to give y'all too much, but I am going to give y'all a little more than what I've been giving y'all prior to this video. Okay. And this is just to, give y'all a little more homework so y'all can be more advanced when y'all do y'all trades. Okay. Remember, trading and investing is different, but it all depends on the fundamental research. Okay, so if the company is not that good, you might not want to invest in that company. You might just want to trade. And the volatility may be on an aspect to where as though you want to put a lot of shares in that when it's at the support level and snatch profit and get right back out of there. It will be pattern day trading. Okay, you might want to have a little more money in your buying power when you do that, or you can get flagged on whatever platform such as Robinhood or Webull. But it's a good way to make some good money. Okay, remember Uncle Sam is the homeboy. You better give him his cut before we come up. All right. So I want y'all to tune into this next video, and I want y'all to understand the importance of fundamental research. When they look at it, when they hear me say, "What is fundamental research?" Fundamental research, what we do over here, what we do is we pull out income sheets. You know what I'm saying? What we do is we pull up the earning reports to see how good they've been doing. Rather, revenue is increasing or decreasing. So that's on the level when you're starting to invest and when you're starting to invest and when you want to hold for a long period of time and you believe the company is going to change for the better to accumulate the finances and stocks. All right. So, but stay tuned. We're going to jump into these charts and I'll be back to you. Okay, y'all, this is considered the belt hold. This is a bearish chart right here that you're seeing. Okay, and this is a pattern forming at the end of an uptrend and begins with a tall open candle. The next candle opens lower and closes below the midpoint of the previous day real body. Okay, above average volume throughout the formation increases performance. Patterns where the first candle has a longer real body, taller, perform better than shorter patterns. All right, so this is bearish. It's called the belt hold. All right, as you see. Now this is the belt hold bullish. Okay, so this is a pattern that forms at the end of a downtrend. The formation opens at the high of the candle and closes near the low, forming a tall closed real body with no upper shadow. This pattern is similar to a black Marubozu candle, except that it appears following an upward price trend. Patterns where there is a large real body outperform smaller bodies. All right, so y'all see where's a long candle right there. You'll see the long candle. When you see it like that, it outperforms. Pretty much is going on an uptrend. When you see the downtrend coming out, then you see the long candle with a little bit of price rejection at the top, but it's more longer than anything. All right. So, breakaway bullish. All right, so this is a breakaway bullish. All right, so this is right here is on an uptrend. This pattern forms at the end of a downtrend. The formation opens at the low of the candle and closes near the high, forming a tall open real body with no lower shadow. This pattern is similar to a white Marubozu candle, except that it appears following a downward price trend. All right, so this is the breakaway. This is pretty much, it looks pretty much like the three black crows. That's what it looked like. It looked like the three black crows, but this is considered a breakaway. So you know, pretty much an uptrend is on its way when you see this type of pattern. All right, y'all. Y'all see if it's going up, then you see if it come down a little bit. But you can't get it confused with the three black crows. Okay, the three black crows is small, and then it gets bigger, like from small candles, and then it goes to the middle and be middle size, and then it gets longer. All right, but this is considered the breakaway. It's bullish. You know it's about to go high when you see these type of trends. So study this stuff. All right. Now we have the dark cloud cover. Look at this very good. This here is bearish. This is the dark cloud cover. So as you see in here, this pattern forms at the end of an uptrend. The formation begins with a tall closed candle with the price closing lower for the next few candles. The pattern completes with a large open candle that retakes a lot of the lost ground over the previous three candles. Patterns that gap between the first and the second candle with the final candle closing in the gap performing best. This pattern performs best as a correction of a primary uptrend. All right. Okay, so we have also the three white soldiers. One I just told y'all about, it was the three white soldiers and the three black crows. So here you go. Three white soldiers pattern is formed when three long bullish candles follow a downtrend, signaling a reversal has occurred. Now the three black crows. This type of triple candlestick pattern is considered as one of the most potent in-your-face bullish signals, especially when it occurs after an extended downtrend and a short period of consolidation. So please get familiar with these candlesticks, y'all. If y'all forget, go back and watch this video, put it on pause, rewind it until you get it, until you learn it. So when you're doing your trades, you can know exactly when to jump in and when to jump out. It's very important. This is considered technical analysis. All right, everybody. So I'm glad everybody tuned in and learned. Hope y'all learned something from the charts that I just revealed. You know, it's very important to learn those charts, those candlestick charts. And after we run through these charts, we're going to get to the patterns. We're going to teach you the patterns, specifically which way it's going as far as the double shoulders, the head and shoulders, and so on and so forth. The double tops, the double bottoms. We're going to get into that as well. But I hope everybody is having a beautiful day most of all. We are here to learn and elevate ourselves. And remember, you can make great wealth in the stock market. Everything don't happen overnight. It will take some time. It can take a few months. It can take years, even with certain stocks. That's why it's very important to do fundamentals, because you can get the wrong stock and that thing could sit at a certain price than what you bought it, a lower price than what you bought it. And it could sit for a couple years, and then you might sell it because you think it ain't gonna sell. And then 2 years later, it accumulated all the way to the top and went over 100% increase. You know, so you want to definitely know what you're getting into. That's why they consider investing importance of long-term holding. You have to be comfortable with that. You got to understand the importance of that. So I just want y'all to understand that winners roll with winners, leaders roll with leaders, and good followers always follow good leaders to become a good leader. Y'all be safe out there. Peace and love. Stay positive. And if it's negative, run away from it. Okay, get out of there. All right? Be safe. Your boy.